Hey guys, it's Daily Mercedes here. Today I got my 2004 E55 AMG. We're going to be changing the supercharger oil. I heard it's a little tricky, so we're just gonna go ahead and give it a try. Worst comes to worst, I gotta take the supercharger off. Hopefully I don't though. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we're going to remove this hose right here along with this hose right here. So let's go ahead and do that. They can be a little brittle. So now we got those off, so we got a little more room to work with. I recommend putting like a towel right here, or a paper towel or microfiber, just so if you loosen the bolt and if you accidentally drop the bolt, you're pretty much screwed. So I recommend putting a towel under it. So let's go ahead and do that. So now we have like a little cushion. So if it falls, it's gonna land on the towel, and then I'll just grab it with a magnet, worst case scenario. So let's go ahead, and that drain bolt is a number 5 Allen key. As you can see, it's right in there. Yeah, it's hard to see. It's right. Yeah, it's right there. So we're gonna go ahead and take that bolt out. Okay, so we went ahead and we got the bolt out. It was actually pretty easy, not gonna lie. People use Allen keys, but I use this ratchet extension and a number 5 Allen socket. So now we're gonna go ahead and attempt to extract the oil. And we're gonna be using a syringe. So let's see how that goes real quick. We just extracted 80 milliliters of the supercharger, and we're going to go ahead and put 150 milliliters back in. We got the fresh oil in here. So I was just doing research on it, seeing, because some people were saying put in whatever you took out. Some people are saying it gets burned over time. Just put 150 back. Some people are saying fill it till it overfills or until it leaks out of the drain plug. So I was just talking to a few of my buddies with E55s, and they just recommend putting 150 back or till it overfills. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put 150 back, which is a factory spec. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so we got 150 millimeters back in. I recommend putting a leveler on your supercharger. Make sure it's leveled in the middle so you get most of the oil out. So once all the oil is back in, you just want to put the drain bolt back in. The bolt back in, and now we're just going to go ahead and put these hoses back in right here. Make sure that's nice and snug, along with this hose. right, and there you go. That is how you do or change your supercharger oil on a E55 AMG or pretty much any M113K motor. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment, subscribe, leave a like. Thank you.